patient enough to get to know about Rhine Waterfall. The Rheinfalls, or Rheinfall in German, is Europe's largest plain waterfall. It's spectacularly located near the town of Schaffhausen in northern Switzerland. It's very close to the German border. Formed during the last ice age around 14,000–17,000 years ago. Falls span approximately 150 meters in width and drop 23 meters in height. An impressive average water flow ranging between 250 cubic meters per second in winter and up to 600 cubic meters per second in summer. The Rhine Falls is easily accessible from Zurich, about 50 kilometers away. It is near historic landmarks such as Schlosslaufen and Schlossworth. It has panoramic viewpoints, restaurants, and boat tours that allow visitors to get close to the roaring Cascades. The surrounding region features well-marked walking trails, viewing platforms, and visitor centers. It's a popular destination for nature lovers, photographers, and tourists exploring northern Switzerland's natural beauty. The best time to visit the Rhine Falls in Switzerland is during late spring to early summer, typically from May to July, when the snowmelt from the Alps causes the water volume to surge dramatically, making the falls even more powerful and spectacular. This period offers the most impressive views and boat tours that take you close to the thundering cascades. However, the Rhine Falls remains a beautiful destination year-round, with autumn providing colorful foliage and winter offering a quieter, misty atmosphere with fewer crowds.